Log into MyTax. Look for the role selection. Change role to employer representative. Select the company for which you are submitting the CP22 form. Navigate to the top and click on Enhance Services. Choose CP22. Click Next. We will choose the second submission method. Click on the manual entry option. Fill up employee information and click Add Employee. Once the employee is added, you will see their details appear in Part B of the form. Click Update to update the employee information. You can update additional details like address, phone number, and other required information here. After entering all the necessary details, click Save to proceed. Before submitting, make sure that the employee data status is marked as complete. Click Next. Now fill in your designation and click Sign and Send to submit the CP22 form. Enter your MyTax password and IC number. Once the form is submitted, you can print a copy of the CP22 form for your records. And that is it. You successfully submitted your CP22 form.